We're here with some friends that we've met before and some that we haven't. We've got Michael and Shelly down here.
We're on a boat.
On a boat.
We're going to do a riverboat cruise here in Frankenmuth on the River Belle, right? Is it Frankenmuth Belle? River Belle. I don't know. It's Belle.
Even though they didn't ring a bell, they just blew a horn.
Right.
So, I don't know. But, yeah, we don't know anything about this other than it's a boat and we're on it.